It's the night of November 6th, 2012. The race between President Barack Obama and former Massachusetts Governor Mitt Romney is tight. All eyes are on key battlegrounds: Ohio, Florida, Virginia. As polls close, tension builds. Obama appears to hold his firewall until the tide turns. Florida flips red, then Virginia. Just after 11 p.m., the shocker: Ohio goes to Romney. The crowd at Boston's convention center erupts. Shortly after midnight, it's official. Mitt Romney has been elected the 45th President of the United States of America. Confetti falls. Romney takes the stage with Paul Ryan. After a hard-fought campaign, the businessman-turned-politician has done the unthinkable, defeated a sitting president. The Obama era ends after one term. Change didn't win tonight. Competence did. Like and subscribe for more. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell for more history documentaries. Please watch the video till the end, as good interaction would help the performance of the video and the growth of my channel massively. How did Romney win? A red wave in the Rust Belt. In this alternate 2012, several key variables tilt in Romney's favor. Economic frustration peaks. Though the economy was recovering, it wasn't fast enough. In this timeline, new job numbers released in October are weaker than expected. Romney hammers Obama on the new normal of underemployment and slow growth, and it resonates. The first debate hits harder. Romney's strong debate performance, already seen as a turning point in our timeline, lands even more impact here. Obama's lackluster response sends Democratic enthusiasm tumbling. Romney maintains momentum through the final stretch. Benghazi fallout grows. In this reality, the Benghazi controversy doesn't just simmer, it explodes. A leaked cable suggests lapses in State Department readiness. The Romney campaign capitalizes on it, framing Obama as careless with American lives abroad. Turnout shifts. African American and youth turnout dips slightly, whether from disillusionment, long lines, or a belief Obama's re-election was inevitable. Meanwhile, evangelical and suburban Republican turnout surges, particularly in North Carolina, Florida, and Ohio. The result? A narrow but definitive Romney victory. Immediate reactions: respect, shock, and celebration. President Obama delivers a heartfelt concession from Chicago, urging unity and reaffirming his faith in democracy. The journey doesn't end here, he tells supporters. Change is never easy, and progress never linear. Across Red America, the mood is euphoric. Conservative strongholds in the South and Midwest see Romney's win as a repudiation of big government and a return to American values. Abroad, allies take a breath. The world prepares for a more corporate, more hawkish America. The Romney administration: vision, strategy, and limits. The cabinet: Romney's team is technocratic and corporate-leaning. Secretary of State: Senator Rob Portman. Secretary of Treasury: Glenn Hubbard. Secretary of Defense: retained Leon Panetta for continuity, then replaced in 2014. Attorney General: Michael Mukasey. Chief of Staff: Mike Leavitt. Paul Ryan, as Vice President, is not a figurehead. He's Romney's right-hand man, tasked with entitlement reform and budget restructuring. Domestic policy: repeal and replace, business first. Romney quickly moves to dismantle the Affordable Care Act. In its place, his administration pushes a market-based alternative modeled after his Massachusetts plan. It includes tax credits and high-risk pools, but coverage gaps grow. Dodd-Frank is weakened. The administration argues that overregulation stifles growth. Consumer protections remain minimal. Wall Street celebrates. On taxes, Romney passes a broad reform package, lowering rates across the board and eliminating some deductions. Critics argue it benefits the wealthy. Supporters claim it spurs investment. Federal spending is slashed. Departments face steep cuts, especially the EPA. Infrastructure investment stalls. Social issues, slower progress, cautious conservatism. Romney, personally moderate on many issues, avoids engaging in culture wars, but under pressure from GOP leadership. No federal protection for LGBTQ+ rights is advanced. Planned Parenthood loses federal funding. The military's post-DDD inclusion efforts stagnate. The Supreme Court shifts right. Romney appoints at least one conservative justice by 2014, tilting the court more firmly against future liberal rulings. Foreign policy. The return of the hawks. Romney's foreign policy is defined by traditional conservatism. Iran. Negotiations over a nuclear deal collapse. Romney takes a hard line, pushing for more sanctions and keeping military options on the table. Syria. Romney escalates support for moderate rebels. No red line moment occurs, but U.S. involvement deepens. Russia moves more aggressively in response. Terrorism. Drone strikes expand. Guantanamo remains open. The war in Afghanistan drags on longer, with a surge-like strategy mirroring McCain's foreign policy instincts. China. Romney takes a hawkish economic stance, labeling China a currency manipulator early in his term. Climate change is deprioritized. The U.S. exits international climate talks. Romney promotes nuclear power and clean coal instead. Paul Ryan's rise, the conservative technocrat. Ryan thrives in the vice presidency. He crafts Romney's budget plans and builds a brand as a policy wonk with vision. By 2015, whispers of a future presidential bid grow louder. He's more visible than most VPs visiting swing states, advocating entitlement reform, and maintaining deep ties with congressional Republicans. 2016 election. Romney versus Clinton. In this world, Hillary Clinton still runs in 2016. The Obama coalition, hungry for a comeback, rallies behind her. But with a stable economy and no major scandal, Romney heads into the race with incumbency advantages. Clinton hits him hard on the lack of health care access, the failure to address climate change, tax policy favoring the wealthy. But Romney, calm and managerial, defeats her narrowly. His second term begins in 2017. Second term. Calm before the storm. Romney's second term is steadier, but storm clouds gather. Automation and globalization continue to displace workers. Wealth inequality grows, fueling discontent in both parties. Populist voices begin rising within the GOP, including a businessman named Donald Trump. Romney, ever the moderate, resists the pull of right-wing populism. His presidency is scandal-free, but the base is restless. The legacy of Mitt Romney. Mitt Romney is remembered as a competent manager, not a visionary. A stabilizing figure post-Obama, but not one who transformed the country. A business-first president who delivered growth, but left many behind. Historians later view his presidency as the last gasp of pre-populist republicanism, a bridge between Bush and Trump. Romney leaves office in 2021 with decent approval ratings, but a sense that bigger storms were coming. Conclusion: in this alternate world, America chose predictability over inspiration in 2012. Romney's win brought order, but at a cost. Inequality deepened, foreign policy grew more aggressive, and the populist backlash only intensified. He avoided chaos, but not change. What do you think? Write your opinion and version of the story in the comments below. Please be polite and kind. If you want to know what would have happened if Strom Thurmond won in 1948, click on the video on the left. Thanks for watching.